Hi, I'm Dr. Borghese. I'm the medical director here at Forge Medical Group. We are a medical practice that takes care of men with erectile dysfunction. And we're going to talk briefly about what we do. What we do is called wave therapy. It is a novel treatment for erectile dysfunction. This is a treatment that works well for men who have pre-existing conditions, for instance, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, men who have had their prostate removed. These are all people we can treat and restore your ability to have an erection. So first, let's talk about how an erection works, and then we can talk about why it stopped working, and then we'll discuss what we could do to fix it. So normally, what happens is you do or you see something that stimulates you, and your brain sends a signal down to the penis, and it tells the arteries to relax. When the arteries relax, they get bigger, more blood goes into the penis, and it fills up and you get an erection. As we get older, two things happen to those arteries. You get hardening of the arteries and you get plaque that builds up in the arteries. This happens more quickly in people with high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, but it can happen in people without pre-existing conditions, and it is very, very common. At age 50, half of men have erectile dysfunction. So what happens then is when you get stimulated, your brain sends a signal, tells the arteries to relax, but the arteries are stiff. They can't relax as much as they used to, and they're blocked. And as that process gets worse, your blood flow begins to drop and you develop erectile dysfunction. What we do is a process called wave therapy. What we're doing is using powerful sound waves to little by little try and break up the plaque in those arteries to increase the blood flow to your penis. The other thing these treatments do is when you stimulate tissue with this kind of energy, the tissue gets a little inflamed. And inflammation is a signal to the body that something needs to be fixed. So the body interprets it as that tissue's been injured. It sends in white cells, it chews up the damaged erectile tissue, and lays down new erectile tissue. This is the process of healing that restores the penis's ability to have a normal erection. So basically, by tricking the body into forming some new capillary beds and increasing the flow through existing arteries, you can bump the blood flow back up. And that is basically how wave therapy works. Thank you very much, and I hope we see you here at Forge Medical Group, and we can help to restore your ability to have normal erections once again.